Utopia. The word utopia means an imagined place or state of things in which everything is perfect. Let us take an example sentence to understand the word utopia better. Misplaced faith in worldly utopia has led to ruin. Viral. The word viral means an image, video, piece of information, etc. that is circulated rapidly and widely on the internet. Let us take an example sentence to understand the word viral. His snap has now gone viral on the internet. Saga. The word saga means a long, involved story, account, or series of incidents. Let us take an example sentence to understand the word saga better. A figure is straight out of a Viking saga. Revolution. The word revolution means a forcible overthrow of a government or social order in favor of a new system. Let us take an example sentence to understand the word revolution better. The country has had a socialist revolution. Renaissance. The word Renaissance means the revival of European art and literature under the influence of classical models in the 14th–16th century. Let us take an example sentence to understand the word Renaissance better. Cinema going is enjoying something of a renaissance. Realm. The word realm means a kingdom. Let us understand the word realm with the help of an example sentence. The defense of the realm. Quest. The word quest means a long or arduous search for something. Let us take an example sentence to understand the word quest better. The quest for a lost treasure has intensified. Oblivion. The word oblivion means the state of being unaware or unconscious of what is happening around one. Let us take an example sentence to understand the word oblivion better. The technology is destined for oblivion. Nostalgia. The word nostalgia means a sentimental longing or wistful affection for a period in the past. Let us take an example sentence to understand the word nostalgia better. I was overcome with acute nostalgia for my days at university. Labyrinth. The word labyrinth means a complicated, irregular network of passages or paths in which it is difficult to find one's way. A maze. Let us take an example sentence to understand the word labyrinth better. You lose yourself in a labyrinth of little streets. Hype. The word hype means extravagant or intensive publicity or promotion. Let us take an example sentence to understand the word hype better. Her first album hit the stores amid a storm of hype. Flex. The word flex means a boastful statement or display. To understand the word flex better, let us take an example sentence. He saw him flex his biceps. Fandom. The word fandom means the state or condition of being a fan of someone or something. Let us take an example sentence to understand the word fandom better. My 17 years of sports fandom. Euphoria. Euphoria. The word euphoria means a feeling or state of intense excitement and happiness. Let us understand the word euphoria better with the help of an example sentence. In his euphoria, he had become convinced he could defeat them. Empire. The word empire means an extensive group of states or countries ruled over by a single monarch, oligarchy, or a sovereign state. For example, the Roman Empire. Dystopian. The word dystopian means a person who imagines or foresees a state or society where there is great suffering or injustice. Let us understand the word dystopian with the help of an example sentence. A lot of things those dystopians feared did come true. Curse. The word curse means a solemn utterance intended to invoke a supernatural power to inflict harm or punishment on someone or something. Let us take an example sentence to understand the word curse better. His mouth was spitting while oaths and curses. Conspiracy. The word conspiracy means a secret plan by a group to do something unlawful or harmful. Let us take an example sentence to understand the word conspiracy better. She served 5 years in prison for taking part in a conspiracy to sell stolen artworks. Betrayal. The word betrayal means an act of deliberate disloyalty. Let us understand the word betrayal with the help of an example sentence. Telling state secrets to the enemy is a clear act of betrayal. Artifact. The word artifact means an object made or modified by a human being, typically one of cultural or historical interest. Let us understand the word artifact better with the help of an example sentence. The artifacts include pottery, bones, metals, beads, and stone tools. Apocalypse. The word apocalypse means an event involving destruction or damage on a catastrophic scale. Let us take an example sentence to understand the word apocalypse better. The apocalypse of World War II